Bitcoin and altcoins continue to chop here. This is going to be a brief update on Bitcoin and just the market at hand. Let's start off with, in the Discord a few days ago, I had put out a screenshot. So tracking for next week to be the beginning of up only for until the first week of July. This resides on Bitcoin playing nice, of course, and the dominance is the shift in the alt's favor. This is the total excluding the top 100 chart. As you can see, we're continuing to chop around until next week. So this type of price action has been expected, and Bitcoin's still maintaining above $104,000, still holding that key level, and we'll go into Bitcoin. But this is something that I've been tracking as far as for basically the altcoins go, this chart right here. So we'll see if that pans out. Basically, that's kind of referring to, if we were to look to the past correction, this point right here, we could have one little pull down, but the start of next week would be what ignites the move to the upside. So we'll see how that plays. And if you haven't already seen my why Bitcoin has to go up in the price of June video, check that out, because that covers more of the macro as well too. So let's go into Bitcoin. Yeah, so Bitcoin right now, looking at the EMA ribbon, it's holding on right now. It's on the edge. We're trying to hold it. We're getting rejected by this 50 moving average on the 12-hour chart, and we're getting wound up tight. It's like a whipsaw right now. And we have the market structure ribbon that's acting as resistance in line with that 50 moving average, and we're flipped red. And we're getting held up as support right now. So big move is about to happen pretty soon here as far as the direction. And we're still not into next week. So a correction or a move down real quick is still in the cards for Bitcoin until next week, I'd say. And if we were to move down, we have this support trend line coming like that. We have our next key level, which I've been saying $99,000 to $100,000 right here, in line with that macro 786. From when we broke out of, so from the high that we had set in January to the low that we had set in April, we have our macro 786 there as well too, which is coinciding with the market structure ribbon on the 3-day chart as well. So if we're going to see a move down, that's where I'm targeting as where it would go to. On the 4-hour, we have the 200 moving average coming up, acting as support right now, like this, but we have the 50 moving average coming down, acting as resistance. So we're wedging right now. There's about to be a big move by tomorrow. And I think we have some data coming in. Let's just see here. Yeah, we have on Friday non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. So yeah, tomorrow's going to be what really sets this thing off for the direction. And as you can see, the charts are lining up for a big break, whether it be a fake breakdown to a break back up, something like this, and then break up, or a fake break up to a breakdown, or a just clean shot and we go. Those are the levels that I'm watching. So if we were to pop up, we need to break above 107,000 and then ultimately get above 109,000, and then we can send it to new highs. If we're going to break down, really we need to hold 103,000 here. If we can't, it's likely we're going to come down, and hopefully with a wick only, with a weekly candle close above 100,000. But yeah, 99,000 to 100,000. Worst case scenario, 95,000 to 93,000. But I'll be updating you guys in real time in Discord if anything drastic changes. So link in the bio for that, and I'll see you guys there and in the next video.